Hi everyone, it's Winsome back with another origami video, and today we'll be making an animal origami again because I just love animal origamis, and this will be the model we'll be making, bucking horse. I vaguely remember making this origami a long time ago, and I don't think it turned out that well, so I guess this is second try and I'll see whether I can do it this time. So as usual, starting off with a square piece of origami paper, we are first going to make the blitz base. To do that, we will fold it in half, diagonally both ways. And then what we're going to do is all four corners of this paper, we're going to fold it to the center and using these lines to align it as neat as possible. Cool, so this is our blitz base, and then what we're going to do next is we're going to open down, like back up one of these flaps, and then after that we're going to flip our model over. Then we're going to fold either of these sides towards the center line here. Cool. So now that that's folded to center, it's obviously automatically made these flaps fold out, which is what we want. After that, we want to fold this I guess what you call this this square, well it's diamond if it's this way, section in half. So what we want to do is fold it this way and this way in half. So trying to align them as neat as possible, we will then fold that and then unfold and then do the same on the other side. And then open it back up. After this, the next step is to first the two little slits at the top here, we're going to just open out. So gonna just open this and then flatten it, so align. So when you open that up, we're going to just align this edge up and then flatten like that. So if I repeat on the other side, we're just gonna open and then flatten down. Cool, like so. And then the next step after that, we're going to fold this model again kind of in half, like kind of the gesture I'm doing along both sides, like so. We're going to fold it in half and then unfold again, so this might be a bit difficult to show, but yeah, essentially folding it half down to here. This is more difficult than I thought. I can see why I failed last time. So yeah, when you fold down, this should go all the way to the other side, align it up, and then fold it in half like that. Then unfold to get that line, and we're going to repeat it on the other side. I'm going to fold this to reach all the way down to the side here, like so, like that. Press down again, and unfold your model, and now yes, you should have lots of different creases. Cool. And then the next step you want to do is another difficult step. Kind of, if you look correctly, about this point crease on either side here that we've made, we're going to fold our model up from here in half, so folding it like so. Or it might be easy to actually fold this down and then flip our model the other way. So from these 2 points here where my fingers are, we're going to fold it on itself, and then this should meet up like that towards these 2 points here that we've made with our creases. Cool. And then yep, that's what we just made. Turning it around and then flipping it over. So if we fold it back out, here's how our model looked before, and we folded up from these 2 points here. This is how our model should look like next. Kind of like a rocket ship, actually, when you look at it like this from the rocket ship looking model. We're going to fold it in half and then crease this down, like I said. And it wasn't very clear on the image, but you're going to sit it down and press down the folds we just did, like so, on either side. So we're just following our folds here, and then fold this in half neatly so our model looks like this when you press down. So if I just either side, looks like that, our model so far. Nice. Cool. And then when our model looks like that, we have some folds here. We're going to try and press this down. I'm going to open and then press this down. So yeah, I'm going to open up this here, following the diagonal creases that we have made on both sides. Like here, I'm just going to press down on them. So that was quite difficult actually, so I would definitely recommend replaying the video just to see. So it was like this before, and then what we did was, yeah, just follow the folds on the side here by creasing them down on either side, creasing them like so. On our model that was like this, and then once creased, Once this was creased, we could just push down. Nice. So now that our model is like this, we're going to fold these flaps in half, but backwards upon themselves. So if we just open the flap here, we're just gonna fold it in half back towards the center of the model, and then fold it back round, and then do the same on the other side. Open it and then fold it towards the center, and then fold it back down. So now it's almost like a cool little sword in the middle. Okay, the next steps, what we're going to want to do, I'm about to sneeze now right now, that's why I made that face. We are going to try and fold this in half backwards upon itself. So when we do that, and then the top part we're just gonna fold into a valley fold. Nice. So now your model should look like this. You have to first, this little part here that's sticking out, we're just going to fold it in upon itself like so. So tucking that in like this, and then squashing that fold down. Cool. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're gonna try and push this back upon itself. So then so like how we just tucked this bit in here, we're gonna tuck this as well into here, and then that should bring the head, the neck of the model up. I'm gonna push down, bring this right, because it's hard to get the neck up in position. This is how the model looks for me right now. And then next thing you're going to want to do is to fold this back upon itself to the edge here, and then I'm gonna unfold it again and repeat it on the other side. Sweet. And then holding our model like this, the next part is to fold it down. Basically, we're going to just do one quick swoop down, push on the top, and repeating again, one swoop down, and then pressing it down. Like so. Like this, and then we're just gonna fold the tip of that inside so it's not got like a bird beak. And yeah, this is done basically. This is how your bucking horse should look, and as usual you can draw a little eye on it. It looks more like a dinosaur, but essentially it should buck when you press the tail here and not too hard, or else it like flips over. But yeah, this is the model. Nice. Awesome. So yeah, that was probably the hardest model I've made in a while, and I've probably got lots of separate clips for this from trying to refer back to my instructions at hand. But I hope this was fun, and it was a great way of practicing different folds, and it's a step up to more complex origami. But yeah, like usual, thanks for watching everyone. Write a comment down below what you thought about this video. Like this video so I know you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other types of video I do. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.